Hey, welcome to Mad Studio Live, and this is Lessons with Lab. In this video, I will be giving you art lessons that are necessary to improve your craft. I currently teach high school students, but I would like to share my expertise to a larger audience, like you guys. I'll be making more videos in the long run, so if you're interested in learning more, please click the subscribe button and ring notification. Don't forget to also show your support by liking my video. Today's topic is, what is perspective drawing? What is perspective drawing? Well, it is drawing something like this picture here based on your point of view. To create this illusion of depth on your piece of paper, you will need to use lines as a guide to your drawing. This is called the linear perspective technique. Linear perspective requires two important parts. The first part is called the vanishing point. You need this to create an illusion of depth. It is a point where your guiding lines meet or where all objects vanish into the distance. Drawing these guiding lines will follow a specific rule, which is they either go horizontal, vertical, or to the vanishing point. When you are drawing these guiding lines, you should lighten them up or use color pencil. Only trace over your lines if you want to keep it in your drawing. This prevents any messiness and confusion. The second important part of linear perspective is to draw the horizon line. This line divides the earth and sky in your drawing and is also called your eye level. This is how horizon line works in your drawing. If you're looking to a person's point of view while sitting down, your horizon line will most likely be on the lower part of your paper. If you're standing, however, your horizon line is on the middle part of your paper and you get to see more distance than just sitting down. If you're elevated, then your line will be located at the higher part of your paper and you cover a deeper distance. Now that you know the importance of horizon lines, it's time to show you how to place objects around it. If an object is below your eye level, you will only be able to see the top part of it. If it is above, you will see the bottom part of your object. If the object is on your right side, you will see the left side of it, and vice versa. I hope you fully understand how this works. I will now show you the steps on how to make an illusion of depth using linear perspective. You can grab a sheet of paper and follow along to help you through the process. So, here we go! Step number 1. Draw your horizon line and vanishing point. I will use an X to identify the vanishing point, and will be placing my horizon at the middle part of my paper. Make sure the middle of your X is sitting right on the top of your horizon line. You'll be connecting all your guiding lines towards that middle part of your X. Step 2. Draw your shape. For now, make sure it is an angular shape or a shape with corners. I will cover how to connect rounded shapes in a later tutorial. Step 3. Connect the corners to the vanishing point or your X. Only connect corners that will not go through the shape. In this shape, I will not connect the lower left corner. When you connect these corners with your lines, you'll be creating sides for your shape, which leads to the fourth step, cutting the sides to identify its boundaries. When you cut the sides, make sure the lines are similar to the lines in front of your shape. For example, if it is a vertical line at front, draw a vertical line at back. Make sure they are also parallel to each other. The last and final step is to erase the lines you don't need, which will be the lines after the cut. At the end, your flat square should look like a 3D box. Now try this out again on your spare time and draw multiple boxes around your vanishing point. As long as you follow the steps, you'll be able to see your boxes in different perspectives. So this concludes my lesson in perspective drawing. On my next video, I will show you how to connect rounded shapes into perspective. This is Lab from Mad Studio Live, signing off.